How to soft reset or how to restart your Apple iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and Plus. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a soft reset. What this is, it pretty much just restarts your device, powers it off, and turns it back on. This is the method that I use if my screen is not responsive. Say my touch screen didn't work, and I wanted to, maybe you're playing a game or you were doing something, and your phone just froze up, your screen quit responding. The way to do a reset will be using, or the restart will be doing a volume up, volume down, and the side button here. So it'll just pretty much power the device off and turn it back on. So I'm just gonna quick volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button. If your screen is responsive, you will be able to use the swipe off, slide to power off. If your screen is not responsive, continue holding that side button. Once the Apple logo appears, you are then good to remove your finger. So just like that, once again, volume up, volume down, quick buttons, just press, and then move to the next one, press and hold that side button over here until you see that Apple logo pop up. Once the Apple logo pops up, it'll start up your device, and then from here, it'll take you back to your home screen. So that is just a quick factory reset if your screen is not working properly, is not responding, if it froze for whatever reason in an app, you can't leave, something like that. This will just power it off, turn it back on, and take you back to your home screen. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a nice day.